Many of us don't know about different kinds of chemicals present on Earth. However, some of those chemicals are so deadly that a single gram of it could kill thousands, whereas other chemicals could explode at any moment. So, here is the list of the 5 most dangerous chemicals on Earth. Chlorine trifluoride is the most vigorous fluorinating agent that is known to humanity. It is the most dangerous chemical to handle than even fluorine gas. This chemical is so dangerous that it can even burn non-flammable products such as bricks, asbestos, and things that have already been burned. This chemical contains a powerful oxidizing agent than oxygen itself. It is one of the most incredibly reactive chemicals that are just looking for the reason to explode. Azide is the most explosive chemical compound that has ever been created in the history. It is a type of chemical that will explode if you move it, touch it, disperse it in solution, expose it to X-rays, expose it to light, and even if it gets exposed to absolutely nothing. This is because this chemical is a part of the class of chemical known as high nitrogen energetic material. Its explosiveness comes from the fact that none of the nitrogen atom in the molecules are arranged in the double bond nitrogen form, a very stable molecule. All the nitrogen atom wants to return to their stable form and they do so releasing a lot of energy. Beta-toxin is one of the most poisonous chemicals found in certain species such as frogs, mallard beetles and birds. It is one of the most potent alkaloids that are known to man. This poisonous chemical affects the nervous system and causes death by permanently blocking the nerve signal from reaching the muscles. It also affects the heart muscles, causing various changes that can lead to cardiac arrest. Till now, there is no treatment available for curing beta-toxin poisoning. Ricin is one of the most deadliest chemicals found naturally in castor bean. It is a glycoprotein that works by getting inside the cells of a person's body and prevent those cells from making the protein they need. Without that protein, cells die and as a result, the person dies too. There is no antidote available for ricin, so the best way to prevent danger is to avoid that substance. Nicotine is associated with the nightshade family of plants. It is an oily liquid that contains 0.6 to 3% of the cigarette mass. The pure liquid form of this chemical can ultimately cause death within hours. Some of the common symptoms of nicotine poisoning includes nausea and vomiting, abdominal pain, sweating, hypertension and respiratory failures.